Planning and preparation is crucial to performing well at trade shows, and you should expect your exhibit partner to be prepared to support you everywhere you exhibit. With Skyline Exhibits, you get a local team where you call home and at the show location. Having an exhibit partner that's local near your trade show has big benefits, not just lower shipping bills, but peace of mind knowing they're prepared with local knowledge, teams, and products. In fact, the Skyline organization has been specifically designed to provide unmatched service, quality, and value. We do that with the industry's only exclusive dealer network and regional service centers. We chose Orlando as a service center location because the area is one of the most popular destinations for trade shows in North America and provides our customers with a complete line of award-winning rental systems, graphic production, and the legendary service of Skyline install and dismantle teams. Our local Orlando team and facility can handle all your trade show needs, both planned and unexpected.